Hello everyone! How are you all today? I hope everyone is in good mood and in good condition. And yes, if you are new to my channel, welcome to a ganto world of Maria Villa. So guys, for today's video, we are going to unbox a parcel that I received from AliExpress. Yes, it's from AliExpress. So my husband brought me this one the other day. And yeah, while I'm opening these boxes, this parcel, I'm gonna tell you my review, or should I say my experience in AliExpress. So madaliin natin dahil yung ilaw ko ay hindi naka-charge. Teka lang. Yes, ayan. Hindi pa ako nakapaglinis ng aking kuko. Hindi pa ako kasi galing kami sa beach. Alam niyo na, mahilig ako mangisda. If you guys still did not follow the my live vlog, I have the link below. Yes, follow also my live vlog, please. Ayan you guys, sa AliExpress, marami siyang store doon. Lots of varieties. Marami siyang store. Pwede pang home, ayun, mga gamit sa bahay. Lahat ng nasa AliExpress na. Kung o-order kayo, make sure na may application kayo kasi meron silang application pwede nyong i-download sa cellphone. Bakit parang lasing ata tong aking ilaw. Tika lang guys. Maliwanag na ba ako? May miral ko na din. So yes, nasa na ba tayo? Again, uulitin ko lang. Yung AliExpress is marami siyang shop guys. So, may bad news akong experience at good news. So, uunahin ko na yung bad news. Kasi, nagagawa din ako ng DIY. Yung earrings ko, akong gumagawa nito. Lahat ng beds daw. Oh, yan, beads. Dapat beads. Oh, lahat ng beads sa earrings ko or mga pearl, mga gamit ng yung paggawa ng mga DIY jewelries like this, malikabok, bracelet. Yung bad experience ko sa AliExpress, meron akong parcel na hindi ko nakuha hindi ko siya nakuha kasi nagkamali yung PO Box number. Kumbaga nagkabaliktad lang yung number doon. Ang importante talaga when you are in contact with or if you are in communication with the owner, meron talaga kayong details doon, mga screenshots sa mga conversation nyo at saka yung address mo kasi yun yung gagamitin mo pang claim if ever something went wrong. So, yes. Ayan, na-open ko na. Yun lang naman yung bad experience ko sa AliExpress. And the good news is that you can dispute. You can apply for dispute. Ibabalik nila yung pera mo. But it's not, whole money. Kasi diba, the exert effort to... Ang good news is marami siyang shop, marami siyang choices, lahat ng kailangan mo, kahit yung materials na gamit ng asawa ko sa kanyang work, pwede nyong mabili doon. So, I got these false eyelashes. Ang ganda niya, guys. And then, for the big box, hindi ko alam paano to bubuksan. Ayun nga. So, yun yung experience ko. Yun yung kagandahan ng AliExpress. Try nyo, guys. Siguro yung just be careful also and check before you order yung mga reviews. It's very important yung mga reviews. Kung yung store ay ilang stars, yung store, ilang years na siya open. Yun, pagka mga online kasi store or online, mag-online order kayo, you should be very very kuan ka sa mga pwede niyo i-contact if ever. Basta alam niyo yung ibig kong sabihin, right? Oh my God. See, yung packaging nila is very safe. Kung Ito yung order ko. Umorder ako nitong LED na mirror na may light na siya. So, ready na talaga ako sa aking Waganda world. At saka nakita ko is may free brushes siya. Kaya, in-order ko na. Ito yung stand, I think. And we'll see. Ayan, very safe. Ano siya, yung bubbles na if ever magkalog-kalog siya, hindi siya mabibiak. Ayan, yung free brushes! I think they are set of blending brushes and for eyebrows, which is perfect for me. And yes, ito na nga. Basta yun nga guys, you have to check everything, the contact, if it's still active. Or you can even contact them ahead if you before you order. So, to make sure na active talaga yung store. Yun yung technique para hindi ka ma-scam. So, yan. Ay, maganda siya. I love it. Wait. So excited for this. Hala, ang ganda niya, guys. Hindi ko palang alam paano to i-on. Kailangan ata ng battery. Ay, ito pala. Yan, may on pala. Ay, kailangan nga talaga siya ng battery. Lagyan natin ng battery. Wait lang. Ay! Bakit? Kailangan pa ba siyang i-charge? May USB din kasi siya dito. Yan. Ay, tama ba? Ayun! Kala ko sira. Ayan, ang ganda. Ang ganda-ganda, te. Gusto ko siya. Kailangan ko lang siguro siyang pag-aralan muna. Yan. Bilangin natin yung brushes. 18, 19, 20. Ayun! Guys, tingnan nyo lang yung screen dyan sa prices nitong mirror na ito at saka itong yung eyelashes ko, false eyelashes. I'm so happy sa aking order ngayon sa AliExpress. And yes guys, I think I've said what I wanted to share to you. If you have any questions, feel free to comment. And please, if you haven't subscribed yet, press that subscribe button below and the bell notification so for you to get notified once I have new uploaded video. That's all. Have a nice day. Bye!